नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे बिजनेस आइडिया की जो आपके लिए सफलता की नई कहानी लिख सकता है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कुल्हाद पिज्जा की। यह सिर्फ एक और फास्ट फूड नहीं है, बल्कि एक ऐसा अनोखा मेल है जो देसी स्वाद को इटालियन जायके के साथ पेश करता है। Imagine the aroma of freshly baked pizza, served in an earthen kulhad, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. This is the magic of Kulhad pizza, a trend that has taken India by storm. Young entrepreneurs are leading this revolution, proving that innovation and passion can create a winning recipe. The success of Kulhad pizza lies in its simplicity and affordability. It caters to the Indian palate while offering a unique twist to the traditional pizza experience. So if you're looking for a low-investment, high-profit business opportunity, Kulhad pizza might be your golden ticket. The Kulhad pizza story is one of inspiration and innovation. It all started with a simple idea: to combine the global appeal of pizza with the earthy charm of the Indian Kulhad. This fusion of tradition and modernity resonated with the youth, and soon Kulhad pizza stalls began popping up across the country. From bustling street corners to college campuses, Kulhad pizza became a favorite amongst youngsters. The affordable price point and the unique presentation made it an instant hit. As the demand grew, young entrepreneurs saw the potential and started their own Kulhad pizza ventures. This wave of young entrepreneurship is a testament to the power of a good idea. Kulhad pizza is not just a food trend, it's a symbol of the entrepreneurial spirit of young India. It shows that with a little creativity and hard work, anyone can achieve success. One of the biggest attractions of the Kulhad pizza business is its low investment requirement. You can start your own venture with as little as 3 lakh rupees. This includes the franchise fee, equipment, and initial inventory. The compact setup requires minimal space, making it ideal for street food stalls, kiosks, or even a small shop. The franchise model provides comprehensive support, from training to marketing. You will receive detailed training on preparing the perfect Kulhad pizza, managing inventory, and handling customers. The franchise also provides marketing materials and assists in setting up your online presence. The menu is designed to be simple yet appealing, featuring a variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. You can offer classic flavors like margarita and pepperoni, along with Indian-inspired toppings like paneer tikka and butter chicken. This variety caters to a wider audience, ensuring a steady stream of customers. The low investment cost and high demand make Kulhad pizza a highly profitable business. The cost of producing a single Kulhad pizza is relatively low, allowing for a healthy profit margin. With an average sale of 50 pizzas per day, you can easily generate a monthly profit of 50,000 rupees or more. The return on investment is also impressive, with the potential to recover your investment within a few months. This makes Kulhad pizza an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs looking for a quick and profitable venture. The key to maximizing profits lies in maintaining consistent quality, offering excellent customer service, and choosing a strategic location with high foot traffic. With the right approach, Kulhad pizza can be a recipe for financial success. So, starting your own Kulhad pizza franchise is actually easier than you think. The process is like super simple and transparent, and it's designed to get your business up and running in no time. Let me walk you through a step-by-step guide. First, the application. Just visit the official Kulhad pizza website and fill out the online application form. You'll need to provide your details and, express your interest in becoming a franchise partner. Next comes the meeting. The franchise team will get in touch with you to schedule a meeting and discuss the business opportunity in detail. This is your chance to clarify any doubts and really understand the franchise agreement. After that, we move on to the agreement. Once you're comfortable with the terms, you can go ahead and sign the franchise agreement and pay the franchise fee. This gives you the right to operate under the Kulhad pizza brand. Then, there's training. You'll receive comprehensive training on all aspects of the business: pizza preparation, inventory management, customer service, and even marketing. The next step is setup. The franchise team will help you set up your outlet, including equipment installation, branding, and the initial inventory you'll need. And finally, launch. Congratulations! You're now ready to launch your own Kulhad pizza franchise. The franchise team will keep supporting you to make sure you succeed. The food industry in India is booming and, the demand for unique and affordable food options is constantly growing. Kulhad Pizza taps into this demand perfectly, offering a product that is both familiar and exciting. This is honestly the perfect time for aspiring entrepreneurs to join the Kulhad Pizza revolution and build a successful business. The Kulhad Pizza brand is synonymous with quality, affordability, and innovation. It really resonates with the youth, making it a highly marketable and profitable venture. By becoming a franchise partner, you are not just starting a business. You are actually becoming a part of a growing family of successful entrepreneurs. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. Take the plunge, unleash your entrepreneurial spirit, and become a part of the Kulhad Pizza success story. The Kulhad Pizza franchise opportunity is, a golden ticket to entrepreneurial success. It offers a low-investment, high-profit business model with comprehensive support and guidance. The unique concept, coupled with the growing demand for innovative food options, makes it a highly lucrative venture. This is your chance to be your own boss, create employment opportunities, and contribute to the Indian economy. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take action today and start building your own Kulhad Pizza empire. This essay is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or business advice. The information provided here is based on publicly available data and might not be entirely accurate. It is recommended to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Visit the official Kulhad Pizza website or call us today to learn more about becoming a franchise partner. Join the Kulhad Pizza family and start baking your way to success. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will take you behind the scenes of a successful Kulhad Pizza franchise and show you how you can replicate their success.